welcome to Savvy Suppers, where we spend under $50 and make 3 banging meals. This week it's all about one of my faves, bacon bones. These things are full of flavour, absolutely jam-packed full of it. You can get them at the supermarket. They can make the most incredible meals with very, very little effort. It does not take a lot to make any of these 3 dishes, so come with me and I'll show you how to make your $50 work harder to make 3 amazing meals for your dinner and some for your lunches. Welcome back to another week of Savvy Suppers, where I spend under $50 and show you how to make 3 banging dinners and have some leftovers for your lunch. With the cost of living being wild here in New Zealand, I'm here to help you cook smart, save money and eat well. Here's this week's shopping, and it came to $44.83. This week's main ingredient, bacon bones. If you've never used these, you need to start getting them in your shopping basket. They're full of flavour and easy to use. And as it's Monday, I thought let's do minimal prep. Take your bacon bones, these 2 we're going to leave for another meal. Take your jar of passata, refill with some water and slosh out all the good stuff, and that is dinner done. I'm doing this in the pressure cooker. It's only going to take about 1 hour and 10 minutes, which is absolutely fabulous for a Monday when you can't be bothered to do stuff. But this way, you put the lid on and we're off. When your bones are nearly finished, fill up your water and chuck on your pasta, and while your pasta's boiling, take out your bacon bones and pick off all the meat. The bones just fall out of it. It's so simple to sort out, and that is all the meat. It's truly frugal but utterly delicious. So add that back into your sauce. Take a couple of ladlefuls because you're going to need it for our last meal on Friday. To your sauce, add in your hot pasta, which yes, it has changed shape because I put it on the stove and forgot about it. This is what it looked like, and I had to pop to the shop to get some more. Hence why we've now got bow ties. And once it's all mixed together, you can just serve it up. The most simple and easy meal to make, and the first dinner done. So make sure you tune in for the next one to see what happens to the rest of the bacon bones. Honestly, you have got to give this a go. And don't forget, you've got loads for your leftovers. Welcome back to Savvy Suppers. This is dinner 2 of the week. Here are our 3 ingredients for this delicious soup, and I had a few wonky carrots left in my wonky box, so they can go in too. First thing, dice up your carrot and your onion. Can you believe that this is a supermarket reject? It looks like a perfectly normal carrot. And now this goes into here. Add the 2 remaining bacon bones that you've got left. Add in 400 grams of split green peas. That's about right. And then 1 litre of water. Again, I'm making this in the pressure cooker because it's a set and forget scenario. You pop it in, you turn it on. And while the soup's on cooking, I'm going to make some flatbread. You say, hey Del, there was no flour in your shopping. I've got leftovers from last week. So I'm just going to make a really simple flatbread with flour, salt, baking powder, a little drizzle of olive oil and some water. Oh my God, it smells and looks incredible. Give it a stir. It just reminds me of my granddad. I'll take out the bones so that we can pick off the meat. This is just the perfect winter warmer. It's thick and hearty, and I like mine just as my granddad did too, with a little bit of Maggi seasoning. Oh my God, this is gonna be great. And with that little bit of bread on the side, it's the perfect dinner for a cold winter's night. Simple to make, and absolutely delicious to eat. That's dinner 2 with loads left over for your lunch. Simple, quick and easy on a weeknight. But don't forget to tune back in for the last of these Savvy Suppers. It'll be an absolute Friday treat. Oh my God, but you've got to give this one a go. Welcome back to Savvy Suppers, where I spend under $50 to make dinner for 3 people, have leftovers for your lunch, and this is dinner 3, the last of the week. You didn't see me unpacking because when I checked my shopping list, I thought, hey, where's my lettuce? Turns out he was rolling around in my car. So if you haven't guessed it from the ingredients, we're making chicken parmes. So first of all, you want to take that leftover bacon tomato sauce, pop it in a pan and just let it reduce a little. With these 2 chicken breasts, I'm easily making dinner for 4, so cut them in half, squash them out. You want to pané them, that's egg, milk and breadcrumbs, and fry it off in a pan. If you didn't have egg, you could actually just replace it with some oil to stick all the other stuff to it. This is like Friday night fakeaway, and you're going to the pub with your mates. And once it's all loaded up, pop it under the grill or into the air fryer. And with the lettuce that was rolling around in the car, I'm going to make a quick little salad, dress it however you like, and this dinner is done. And then it's time to eat. Oh my God. Look at that. Pop on your salad. And that is dinner 3 on your budget shopping for your Friday night fakeaway. Oh my God. That bacon bone and tomato sauce elevates this dish to the next level. I'm actually salivating for my next bite. Just because you're on a budget, it doesn't mean it's gotta be boring. Oh my God. You have got to give this a go.